Okay, as you can see from my previous video, I have a little minivan over here on the side of the house. Reason being is because these are the outlets and power cables that I have on this power pole for my welding gear and other outlets in the backyard. I'm going to be removing this assembly. Center line's marked here. And I'm going to be welding someplace right about here, a vertical piece, another vertical piece here, and extending back to this piece over here. I'm going to weld to it also. And I'm going to put a plate in here, and I'm going to put this winch in there. And after I get that done, I'm going to have to come onto this side of the house and get the front end of the vehicle. And believe it or not, this piece of foam is the actual bumper that goes on that metal bracket that I just showed you that I'm going to be removing. And I'll put this thing back together onto the front of the car. More videos to come. If you remember, I put a winch on the Ford Ranger last year.